How to check your laptop has SSD or HDD. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, jump right in. First open Run, then type in DFRGUI. After you type in DFRGUI, simply click on OK or press on Enter on your keyboard. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, you'll find media type. In media type, as you can see, it is solid state drive, which means it is SSD. If you have HDD, you'll find HDD in media type. As you can see, both of my drive names are there, and after that, media type. And this is how to check your laptop has SSD or HDD. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.